Hello, welcome to CComp channel. This video is about how to install GParted to clone or backup Linux drive and make it bootable after clone. In this video, we are trying to clone a disk drive with Linux Mint. First, we create a new folder, named it as test1. Shut down the computer. Plug in your bootable GParted USB drive to the computer. Start the computer by booting it to the GParted USB drive. If you don't know how to create a bootable GParted USB drive, we have the link as the description below. Since we are using an old computer for this video, we choose GParted Live. Wait for the process to finish. Click OK. Don't touch keymap. Click OK. Choose your preferred language. Choose Continue to start X to use GParted automatically. Then press Enter. Please back up your valuable data to a safe place. We are not responsible for any data loss or any damages. As you can see here, SDB is our GParted USB drive, while SD is our Linux disk drive that we want to clone or backup. Close this window. Plug in an empty external disk drive into your computer via USB port. Then, open GParted again. This time, as you can see, now we have SDC drive. The SDC drive is your external disk drive. The external disk drive is empty. Now, go to SD again. Select the first partition. Click Copy. Go to SDC again. Then paste it. Now, go to SD again. This time, select the second partition. Copy it. Go to SDC again. Then paste it. It is not allowed to paste, because the destination space is smaller than the source in size. Therefore, GParted does not allow us to paste the second partition. What we can do here is to resize the second partition. The yellow space indicates data files, while the white space indicates empty space. There are a lot of white space at second partition which do not have any data files. Therefore, we can resize the second partition to a smaller size. Select the second partition, then click Resize Partition. To make the second partition smaller, then click Resize. Apply the operation. Wait until the process is finished. Now, we copy the second partition again with smaller size, and then paste it in SDC disk. Wait until the process is finished. One important thing to take a note here: the first partition is not bootable, as indicated in flag. To make it bootable, right-click the first partition, go to Manage Flags, choose Boot. As you can see, now the flags are indicating boot and ESP. Now, we shut down the computer. Please remove your GParted USB drive from the computer. After replacing the internal drive to the external one, we start the computer. Yes, the computer is booted up. We can see the test1 folder, which we have created earlier. Let us check the disk. As you can see, now the disk have been replaced, and we have successfully cloned the Linux disk and make it bootable using GParted. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.